Give her a try. There we go. Right, do not turn it off, whatever you do.
What's up, drivers? Recently on the channel we've had some fairly dramatic, rage-inducing videos, so I feel now is the right time for something a little more tranquil. So sit back and relax as we view some friendly-natured, selfless and faith-in-humanity-restoring dashcam footage. With nothing behind him, Geeky Ads decides to create a more efficient path for this jogger. What you can't actually see in this clip is a Citroen to my right who has decided to stop and let me out. However, the Volvo doesn't notice or care, meaning I can't go yet.
I appreciate it, but I can't go anywhere. You let me out anywhere? Thank you very much.
Thankfully though, the orange van lets me out as the Citroen and the traffic behind them remain patient. Just be careful about stopping for people who can't go yet, as vehicles behind may not be expecting it. Realising that the KA is unsure where to put themselves, TR Space Star waves them onto the gap in front.
Video protected.
Your phone torch is on, buddy. Don't know if he'll have heard me, but at least I tried to save him some battery life.
Video protected.
What was that?
The cyclist spots a large chunk of metal in the road, so takes his time to stop and remove it.
That's a good bit of etiquette from the Kia behind us. Saw the light turning red and held back.
This is Nightmare Junction. Here's a rare moment of everyone getting it right, and no one using their horn as a stress ball behind me for leaving the junction clear. It's kinda sad really that clips like this surprise me as much as they do.
That's how it should go, if you stop and let people go properly. One of the best thank yous I've ever gotten, actually. The little salute.
Some excellent forward planning from Emu here. Always think about what could need the space, not just what already does need the space.
Yeah, if I'd come earlier.
This truck allows Eli to make effective use of his momentum to clear the turn. And this truck makes certain that I'm stopping for him before pulling around the Vauxhall. Remember what I said 3 clips ago? Thankfully Dashcam Armag had the space behind to make a path for this truck, and they share a friendly little pip of their horns.
Oh shit.
While this ambulance had viable options, I may as well assist them to their rescue those few seconds earlier.
That little thank you beep. Never heard him make that noise before. Oh, they just crashed.
They hadn't crashed, but this guy's clutch control might need a bit of work. Either that or he's left foot braking every time he notices a vehicle in the right hand lane.
Is he just stalling it over and over?
Another example here relating to my recent short. If there's no need to stop, don't bother. The Porsche knew Joe was staying put, so they were waiting for a moment to smoothly emerge without risking the rear of their vehicle poking into the other lane. This Peugeot shows us an example of best flow for everyone. Knowing they block my path had they joined the back of the queue, they decide to make use of the empty right hand lane and put an asking indication on. Some may view this as pushing in or queue jumping, but I'm sure you'll agree it was the better decision. By waiting a few car lengths back, they show that gaining an advantage wasn't their aim. They just didn't want to block an open lane. The Hyundai got the memo, and we all get on our way.
I'm not an imbecile, and I know that these lights go straight before they go right, so I'm going to stop here.
Another smart bit of holding back by Emu here, making excellent use of his local knowledge.
I thought it was going right then.
We all know how Larry merging in turn can make some people, so being the last vehicle before the bottleneck, I stay put and make sure that the Toyota knows my intentions.
Just give them a thumbs up for me.
G-Man recognises the awkward turn this learner has caused for themselves, so decides to hold back.
It's a learner, you can tell. Yeah, learner.
Oh, I think learner's had a bit of a stall there, hasn't he?
Or more if you're going over 30 miles per hour. Whoever you meet,
Oh, and again. Oh, you've stalled in the way of everyone now.
Applies to Great Britain only.
No one's letting them go. Oh, this is cruel. I am going to hang back for them there. I'll stay hanging back in case they need this lane. Yeah, there you go. Read it like a book. Horrible, horrible, horrible roundabout for learners, that one. Considering I've got a whole video of about full licence holders not being able to do it.
It's no secret that I'm terrible with directions, but it's nothing that a friendly Mitsubishi can't fix.
Oh, bollocks. I'll put an asking indication on. Is there a passing place?
No, is he out? What's he gonna do?
I'll just have to come up here a bit.
Bit of an awkward situation, this one. Clearly vehicles behind began to create a blockage, so TR Space makes a bold decision.
Why do you think I've gone up here, taxi?
Although I'd have taken much more care with that dismount. I'm sure he'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.
Pedestrians now.
A flash. Is it a speed trap? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nope. It's some 300 IQ pedestrians all stood in the blind bend of a road. I bet you don't spot this before Geeky Ads does. This lad at the crossing doesn't want his gramps to feel rushed, so waves D55-6mm onwards.
Whatever. Don't know why.
Another clip to reiterate an earlier point. Remember to leave space for things you can't see yet.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
In this clip, Killaway refrains from moving until certain that the new driver in the Audi in front doesn't want to parallel park on the left.
That was smart, wasn't it? Keeping her eye on it now, isn't she? Seems he at least apologised.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
I'll let them through. Make a bit of progress and stop. And make a bit of progress. Oh no way, Iggy! I remember Iggy, you nearly killed a cyclist like 2 days ago.